Shruti Haasan to work on an independent album. Though Shruti Haasan is currently busy with 3 projects in Hindi, we hear that the actress is bent upon taking time out to work on an independent music album. It may be recalled that Shruti, who has always harbored a keen passion for music, has in the past composed music for the Tamil film Unnai Pol Oruvan, starring her father Ulaganayan Kamal Haasan. The versatile actress has also crooned a few numbers in various languages. A source close to the actress says Shruti is busy shooting 3 films in Hindi and has commitments in Tamil and Telugu film industries as well. She's keen on doing an independent music album, but nothing concrete has materialized yet. She needs some time off to actually sit down and work on the pieces, but she's unable to find time now. There will surely be something in the offing soon.
எல்லாரும் நீங்க என்ன விரும்புறதா சொல்றாங்க. ஆனா உங்க மனசுல என்ன இருக்குன்னு எனக்கு தெரியல. நீங்க என்ன விரும்புறதா இருந்தா இந்த பூவை வச்சுக்கோங்க.
எங்க?
That's your problem.